So I got a Playchoice 10, but I don't have a control panel. So I got control panel overlay, and I had some cardboard. So I decided to make my own. So I got some pictures, looked it up, got a measuring tape. So this right here I measured 2 inches. So from here to here is 3 inches. So that's the basic shape. Obviously this comes straight down like this. So it kind of looks like that. So yeah, so there's my homemade control panel. So all I gotta do now is find a place where I can get a piece of aluminum, see if I can bend my own control panel just like this. You can't find one online or anywhere else? Screw that, I'm making my own.